This 2024 Winnebago Micro Minnie 2108 FBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 22 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 4, external shower, microwave, skylight, smoke detector, stovetop burner, slide-out, TV, refrigerator, LP detector, oven, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Winnebago Micro Minnie 2108 FBS is 4,142 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.